Today I'm going to show you how to change your air filter on a 2019 Honda Accord. As you can see, this one is kind of shocked. There was a full rat's nest or field mouse nest going on in there, and it did not look pretty. I already taken it out because I just wanted to look at it at first, but it was horrid. Anywho, so all you have to do is get the glove box open, and by doing that, you have to pinch these sides in, so you just push them until these tabs release. But before that, you have to push this lever back. It's going to be hard at first. I'll show you the reverse of it, but that's what you have to do. And then in here, there's a guard. You just push 2 tabs in and pull it out. Now, for the installation, you look at the airflow direction, then you put it in like this. On Honda ones, they are, well, the direction thing is over here, faced like that, so the line should be side to side, I guess. No idea if that's important or not, but that's how I'm putting it in. Alright, now installation that's in. Let's take this, pop it. Ooh, that fell. Just have to pop it on there. Alright, this is not going smoothly. There. Pop it on, no wiggle. And now you need to push these sides in and get it up there. And then for the damper, you just gotta bring this up. It should just, there we go. Yeah, it just has to click on like that. It'll take maybe a second or two. But yeah. So that's how you replace your cabin air filter in this.